Well, hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is Bigger Miracle Than Resurrection. Oh, my word, what can that possibly be? Well, I hope to teach you something that you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me and any other Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So, bigger miracle than the resurrection. Now, atheist, New Testament historians, scholars like Gerd Ludemann agree that the followers of Jesus, Peter, James, John, and all of the disciples, the so-called 12, the women that hung around with them, the hangers-on, once even 500 people all at once, they all felt, they all claimed, they all believed that they had had experiences that they thought were appearances of the risen Jesus, obviously after the resurrection. Well, if these atheist New Testament historian scholars believe that these people, these witnesses, with their testimonies, that they believed that they had experiences of the resurrected Jesus, then why don't these atheist scholars believe in an actual resurrection event? Well, usually it's because they think that these followers had simultaneous grief hallucinations. What's interesting about that idea is that psychologists are unanimous in declaring group hallucinations are just not possible. See, hallucinations are much like dreams, only they happen while you're conscious and not unconscious. An hallucination is a thought event occurring only in the mind. It has no exterior reference. It has no exterior manifestation. And it is psychologically impossible for multiple people to share the same dream or hallucination at the same time. It's two independent minds working, or in the case of the resurrection, it's 12 plus extras, or even 500 people is what has been claimed. It's been a lot of people who said they had this experience. And psychologists say, and medical people say, it's absolutely impossible for two individual independent minds to have the same dream or the same hallucination simultaneously. For 12 or 500 people to share the same hallucination at the same time would very possibly be a bigger miracle than the resurrection itself. So you can think about that. Those are my comments on the topic of bigger miracle than resurrection. If you have questions, comments, or prayer requests, you can leave them in the comments section down below. And until the next video, this is your old pal Papa Dale signing off for now and saying, I will be praying for you, that you will be well and that you will be blessed. And that's 2 thumbs up for you.